Tender, juicy, perfectly cooked T-bone steak in a cast iron skillet with butter, rosemary, and thyme. In this video, we're going to show you how to make this steak. So we're starting out with approximately 1.5 pounds T-bone steak here, and we're going to season with Lawry's seasoned salt and Lawry's garlic salt. We're just going to get a nice, even, uniform coat on here. Kind of pat this in real nice. We're going to put this seasoning on. We're going to let the steak set for about 15 or 20 minutes. Let that seasoning soak in a little bit. You can wait a little longer. You can put it in the pan right away. It's kind of personal preference, but I like to let it set, soak in a little, and it really gives a good flavor to the meat. A lot of it in the pan, since we're basting it, the reason I let it set is because the meat will soak in a little more. Otherwise, if we just throw it in and we baste it with butter, you're going to basically wash all your seasoning off, although it's going to get in the butter and you're going to keep covering it back up. So there we are. I'm going to let that set. Like I said, 15-20 minutes. When we put it in the pan, we're also going to be cooking with thyme and rosemary. Add some brilliant aroma and flavor along with the steak. Okay, these steaks have been marinating for about 15-20 minutes, and you see how that's got that real nice wet look and the seasoning is soaked in pretty good. That's why we let it set, because we want that seasoning to permeate the meat real nice. So preheating the pan right now, about to get them right in there. Okay, we got the pan nice and warm. We're going to go ahead and get a little olive oil in here. Okay, now we know the pan's heated up right because you can see the smoke start there. So we're going to go ahead and get the steak in, and we're going to start nearest to us and lay it away from us because we don't want to get splattered. Look at that sizzle. Look at that steak sizzle. Now we want to get some of our butter in there. Alright, now that our butter's melted down a little bit, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little thyme and rosemary in there. Alright, this is about ready to flip. We're going to give it a good one more baste before we flip it. And you do this about every couple minutes on both sides. Oh yeah, look at that nice sear on there. Listen to that sizzle. Bit of thyme and rosemary's cooked down real good. You can smell it real good. The aroma is amazing. Looking for a good sear on that steak. This looks delicious. Okay, so this is cooked down. We've been basting about every couple minutes, and we're going to take it off the stove and put it on a plate. Tender, juicy, perfectly cooked T-bone steak in a cast iron skillet with butter, rosemary, and thyme. We're going to go ahead and finish this off before we let it rest. We're going to put the butter right on the plate there, and we're going to go ahead and let it rest for about 5 minutes before we cut into it. Okay, our T-bone's been resting for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this guy and see what it looks like here. Nice and medium right there. Maybe a little medium well, but tender and juicy for sure. Let's take a little taste and see how this is. That's delicious right there. If you make this at home, I hope yours turns out as good as mine did. Please like my video, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You'll get notifications if you click the bell when I post videos like this, and definitely leave me a comment. Let me know how yours turns out. Thanks for tuning in.